appreciate your patience. This is going to be the part 4 of the physical hazard. And then the topic we're talking about today on this series is lighting hazard. Lighting hazard is part of physical hazard because it's what we can see, it's physical, right? So that's what this series is all about. And part 4, the topic of part 4 is going to be lighting tips, for safer workspace. Remember I said workspace, not workplace, right? So workspace because any space that you are performing your work in the office, in the factory, at home, in your car is your workspace, right? So I will be giving you some tips, that you will need to be able to have a safer workspace, right? Thanks for joining, everyone that is joining. Really like what I said before. I can see everyone that is on this live because I'm using the back camera of my phone, to do this live, because when I was using the front, every time I try to write on my board, it looks like I'm left-handed, and then everything just go opposite, right, in the reverse way, which is not good, right? So I'm trying to do it the right way so I can able to help the back. So when I'm doing any calculation or writing anything on the board, you can able to read it, right? So still on part 4, right? Part 4 of the lighting hazard. The topic for that is going to be lighting tips for safer workplace. And then here's how to improve your lighting, right, in your area. As I'm a board certified industrial hygiene and also a board certified safety professional, and then I've been doing industrial hygiene for a little bit over 15, and then mechanic engineer for like 10, right? I'm also a mechanic engineer, as I just mentioned. So we have instruments that we use when there is no adequate amount of lighting within an area, right? And then the unit of light that we measure is lumen, right? If you remember, anytime you go to Lowe's, Home Depot, and you get a light bulb or the fluorescent, any light, if you look at the pack, it's going to tell you how much of lumen is that light, right? It will tell you, right? Some will say 100 watts, but if you look at it, it's going to tell you amount of lumen that 100 watts is equal to, right? So